Module Overview. Color harmony is the principle of selecting aesthetically pleasing color combinations based on their relationships on the color wheel. A harmonious color palette evokes balance, visual order, emotional resonance, and a sense of unity in composition. The psychology, cultural significance, and optical behavior of color relationships play a vital role in design, painting, branding, interior decoration, web development, fashion, and multimedia production. 1. The Color Wheel Revisited. The color wheel, developed by Sir Isaac Newton in 1666 and later refined by artists and scientists, provides the foundation for understanding color relationships. The wheel comprises primary colors red, blue, yellow, secondary colors green, orange, purple, tertiary colors red, orange, yellow green, blue purple, red purple. Understanding the placement of colors on the wheel allows artists and designers to construct color schemes that are visually balanced and emotionally effective. 2. Major types of color harmony. 1. Complementary colors. Colors opposite each other on the color wheel. Examples: red and green, blue and orange, yellow and purple. Effect: high contrast, vibrant energy. Best for logos, sports team branding, attention-grabbing designs. Risks: overuse can cause visual tension or fatigue. Must be balanced with neutrals or tints/shades. 2. Analogous colors next to each other on the wheel, usually 3 to 4 hues. Examples: blue, blue-green, green effect, harmonious, calming, natural, best. For nature themes, peaceful designs, gradients. Risks: lack of contrast, needs a clear dominant hue and hierarchy. 3 triadic colors. 3 colors equidistant from each other on the wheel. Examples: red, yellow, blue or purple, green, orange. Effect: vibrant and balanced. Best for playful, creative designs, children's themes, branding. Risks: needs careful balancing of saturation and dominance to avoid chaos. 4. Tetradic, double complementary colors. 2 sets of complementary colors forming a rectangle on the wheel. Examples: blue and orange plus yellow and purple effect. Rich, diverse, complex. Best for high-level design, illustration, abstract work. Risks: challenging to balance, must manage color hierarchy and spacing. 5. Split complementary colors. A base color and the 2 colors adjacent to its complement. Example: blue plus red, orange plus yellow-orange effect. Less tension than straight complementary, with contrast. Best for beginners, presentation design, accessible visuals. Risks: overcomplicating can dilute the strength of the scheme. 3. Secondary harmony schemes. Monochromatic, variations of a single hue using tints, adding white, tones, adding gray, and shades, adding black. Emotional impact, elegant, subtle, cohesive. Risk: can become boring if not given textural or spatial variation. Achromatic, uses black, white, and grays, often employed in minimalist and modern design. Polychromatic, use of multiple unrelated hues. Risky but exciting, requires expertise in value and saturation balance. 4. Visual hierarchy and color balance. In design and fine art, color harmony must support visual hierarchy. Dominant color, the main theme color, use 60%. Subordinate color, secondary support, use 30%. Accent, color, highlight or emphasis, used 10%. Effective compositions ensure these colors are used proportionally, and value contrast, lightness versus darkness, enhances legibility and aesthetics. 5. Applying color harmony in practice. In art, artists like Monet, analogous colors in landscapes, and Van Gogh, complementary colors for emotional impact, showcased mastery in color harmonies. Expressionists used disharmony for psychological tension. In graphic and web design, triadic schemes offer balance and flexibility across buttons, backgrounds, and fonts. Complementary color use in CTAS, call to actions, increases click-through rates. In interior design, analogous colors create restful spaces, complementary contrasts energize rooms. In fashion, monochromatic color schemes elongate form. Tetradic palettes create bold fashion statements. 6. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Using too many colors leads to visual confusion. Lack of dominance, no clear visual anchor. Poor saturation control, overly intense or dull palette. Ignoring context or culture. Color meanings vary across regions. Forgetting contrast. Low value contrast reduces readability. Conclusion. Color harmony is not only about beauty, it is about strategy, emotion, and clarity. Knowing how to pair, balance, and manipulate colors based on relationships on the color wheel empowers you to build impactful designs, create emotional resonance, communicate with precision.